Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. Polygonum Multiflorum, a natural ingredient that's been making waves in the hair care world. It's claimed to have the power to reverse gray hair. Is it too good to be true? Let's find out. Polygonum Multiflorum, also known as faux tai, is a Chinese herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's rich in antioxidants and has been studied for its potential benefits on hair health. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that Polygonum multiflorum might help with hair graying by 1. Enhancing melanin production. The pigment responsible for hair color is called melanin. Some believe Polygonum multiflorum can stimulate the production of melanin, potentially reversing gray hair. 2. Antioxidant properties. Its antioxidant content can help protect hair follicles from damage, promoting overall hair health. Mayraki's Anti-Grey Hair Color Restoring Treatment features Polygonum multiflorum as a key ingredient. It's combined with other natural extracts to create a powerful formula that aims to restore your natural hair color. To use Mayraki's Anti-Grey Hair Color Restoring Treatment, simply apply it to your scalp and massage it in. For best results, use it consistently as part of your hair care routine. While Polygonum multiflorum shows promise, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations. Individual results may vary. If you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult with your healthcare provider before using any new hair care product. Polygonum multiflorum is a fascinating ingredient with potential benefits for hair health. While more research is needed to fully understand its effects on gray hair reversal, Mayraki's Anti-Grey Hair Color Restoring Treatment offer a natural approach to managing gray hair. Remember, patience is key when trying new hair care products. Consistent use and a healthy lifestyle can contribute to overall hair health. Interested in learning more about Mayraki's anti-gray treatment? Head over to the link in the description below. There you can find more information and see if this product might be a good fit for your hair goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.